Max function, meaning maximum being used, the highest salary found in column F, is simply this value here, straightforward. I remember for years not necessarily needing, but then suddenly needing a way to calculate the second highest entry in the list and also third, and I ended up sorting the data, and that was okay for the moment because I just simply wanted to see the information. But certainly there are times, and there have been times in my situations too, where I really need to tabulate the information. I want to know the second highest salary, or the third, based on any ranking that I might need. The function is called large. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Where are we looking here? For example, in column F, salary, comma, want the second highest salary, put in a 2. It's as straightforward as that. If you wanted to build a list of these, like I've already got the highest here, I'm just going to put in some numbers over here, but 2, 3, 4, 5, and we could work off of that and create a little list of if we wanted to see the 5 highest salaries. So instead of this being a 2, just make it refer to a cell that has that value in it, and recopy these by double-clicking, and we have all these entries in a quick format. It looks pretty good, and there we go. Easy to use, the large function. Just like that. Rather than trying to come up with some obscure way of taking the original value and subtracting from our total and so on, there is a companion function, and sure enough, you guessed it, it's called small. And it works, of course, from the bottom up. Looking at all the entries here, what's the second smallest? If we really wanted to find the smallest, of course, we could use the min function. But we might want to know the second smallest, third smallest, etc. Second smallest is 8,904. Brent's one of our part-time employees here. So, quick and easy to use, the small function, the companion to large. One of those functions that you don't necessarily need, but when you do need the capability, it's there, and it's a reminder that there are so many different functions in Excel you just might not have had the need for until one day, and there it is.